Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If Logitech G Hub is not working in your system, then watch this video for the solutions. The first step is to run it as admin. So we will look for Logitech G Hub here and we will right click on it and we will run as administrator. And this should start working on your computer. If this method doesn't work, then we will need to stop the LG Hub update service and then rerun the app as administrator. So we will look for services, look for the LG Hub updater service. Okay, here is it. We right click on it and we'll click on stop. Once we do that, we will again look for Logitech G Hub and we will click on run as administrator, and this method should work for you. If this doesn't, then there are one thing we can do is we can run the optional updates. Right click on the start button, look for settings, and this will basically update all the drivers, folks. So we will click on Windows Update, Advanced Options, Optional Updates, and we will install any optional updates for the drivers in the system. Finally, if none of this works, then we need to reinstall Logitech G Hub. For that, we will right click on the Start button, go to Settings, click on Apps, Installed Apps, and we will look for Logitech G Hub. Now we found this, so we will click on the three buttons here and we'll click on uninstall. Then we'll open the browser, look for Logitech G Hub download, and we will download it and then run the installer, and this Logitech G Hub should work perfectly fine. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.